It's not like an Alkaline come put Dancehall back on the map. You know, remember say when Dancehall did it on a lull, Alkaline did their road same way.
Same way.
And you know, there's nothing about it. And we know say every talent can help, him never help.
A few moments later.
Alright, you see
For center stage.
Center stage, but the very first row. $611. You see me? So the lowest ticket at $71. I put the $71.50 in them. I don't want them come chat off the motor of me, dog. You see me?
2,000 years later.
And he come like say, we say a deep blue sea and so he makes some fans go buy a ticket. You see me?
Like we are pro.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
And after a dog left Florida, man, gone to Philadelphia. The dog rich and happy, you know.
I mean,
So they say
the
dog
arena
get 500,000 a show.
250.
That's enough money that, you know.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
I don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. So people, you don't know, ticket watcher them forward out, you see me? Remember people, this is promotional purposes. Go get your ticket for the Philly show, you see me? And the Miami show. So the Miami show go there. You don't know Miami. You know our KCS center, and you don't know that our May 22nd, you don't know the next show, our June 13 in Philly. You see me? Xfinity or something like arena. So look at now people. Get your tickets. You see ticket watcher them out. Talk a bag of thing. You see me? Yeah man. So listen what them I say.
It's not like an Alkaline come put Dancehall back on the map. You know, remember say when Dancehall did it on a lull, Alkaline did their road same way.
Same way.
And you know, there's nothing about it. And we know say every talent can help, him never help. And this man can help now, so him never did get too hostile. So the reason out here and think of them attack, say, yo, Alkaline, they must stream more and rare. You know, we have to show them.
So them talk about cartel and so wait, when I feel like say one artist can carry a whole genre. I feel like this internet thing tricking, you know, bro. It's like I feel like people should have common sense. You understand? What you mean by dancehall is the same. What I talk about, brother? Una look for hype and controversy and feel say hype and controversy can move dancehall and music move dancehall, dog. Not because Cartel fought from prison and I do him shows them, oh, yo, dancehall this, dancehall that. And also it work, bro. When you create that illusion there for trick people, that's not reality, bro. That's not reality. You understand? You know, trick on yourself. See, Cartel now do no shows now. When you the amount of show him do last year. What happened now? Tell me now, man. What happened now? You see difference? So now look on some shows where him do, where him never did that do before. Plus, a lot of people never see him. So now use that and say, yo, dancehall this. Brother, dancehall is not only about shows, bro. We are talking about music. We are talking about Billboard spot. We are talking about Grammys. We are talking about a lot of things out there, bro. You understand? Uno and this one man thing, brother. Uno create that illusion there with hype and feel like say a reality. And a reality that, brother. Cartel a do what him do him shows them now. You understand? Because him never do no shows. When the whole dancehall did do shows, him be behind bars. Him a watch people do. Now him a do it. You understand? But because a Cartel and him come with controversy and hype, uno create this thing. Yo man, put dancehall back on map. There's nothing like that in no genre about one man a carry whole culture, brother. You think one man can carry the whole government body? We no sick in on the head, dog. We don't know who wanna get that talked about, brother. We don't know who wanna get, and if you don't feel like say that a go on, brother, we don't make a sad mistake. Cause if one man that carry culture, the culture dead. And that me I tell you now, it dead because the same man wanna talk about carry culture, brother. What are the numbers where him do since him forward out? Where the major big songs them there? Una use dancehall for controversy and hype, you know, brother. That me realize it, you know. Una not use dancehall for music, you know. A controversy and hype una use and feel like say that can push the genre, bro. Cartel a do what him do, a big artist. Cartel not do no bag of shows now. What happened now? Him not get no big major songs. So what happened now? When I go say, oh, dancehall change? Bro, una run with hype and controversy, brother. Back in the days of music, I do it. Never hype and controversy. Music, we see the music. When I use that now through cartel forward out and you don't know, I get him highlight, I go first at them first, I go these places. So them I go highlight the shows and the little thing. When I use that, say, yo, man, put back dancehall on map. Bro, when you sick in on the head, brother. Get some knowledge. You see it?
Mention cannot go so. Then he go pull up when we are say Deep Blue if Alkaline can sell out the Barclays. So he must say that was film defense as a seat there when I fight against the youth. So me I say
nobody was fighting against the youth, dog.
He must try to stop him career. Me I say youth. First thing, gatekeeping stop long time. And only gatekeeping can stop your career. Fans and other artists can stop next artist's career.
Yo.
If a man kill you lyrically, musically, then you can't say I fight that. A two man got it head to head and your career crash.
That's
enough easy to me.
Like,
so people ready. Ticket time, ticket prices.
oh, that did it. Make we go check out what go out then ticket them now.
Yeah. And hey, Alkaline come like him take the name now, the arena sheller. Remember I said the world boss? Alkaline can call him now. Like CJ. Right, Cartel too busy with CJ millionaire, you mean?
Let me see what going on now. Alright.
Yo, people. You tell me that Alkaline is a great artist, you know? I never see, I feel like Alkaline get the most attention in every category. I tell you, like, Cartel do so much arena, other people that do show, and I never see them pull up no ticket. I tell you, them never pull up no ticket and watch this. I tell you, bro, them have to rate the artist, so I do them something. Yeah, man, them have to rate the artist. You see it?
Well, admission 7 to 150. Okay. What are most expensive ticket?
4 bills.
449. We could have sworn me this is 600 the other day. Oh, so one. I know something wrong.
Which part of the ticket?
Like the very
part that locate.
Alright, you see
For center stage.
Center stage, but the very first row. $611. You see me? So the lowest ticket is 71. I put the $71.50 in them. I don't want them come chat off the motor for me, dog. You see me? And the most expensive one is $611. You see me? Alright, let me see what going on for deep. Let me see if a deep blue sea. Guy, every time I say deep blue sea, dog, I tell you.
The man have a problem.
I tell you.
And he come like say, we say a deep blue sea and so he makes some fans go buy ticket. You see me?
Yo, people, remember this is promotional purposes. This is entertainment. So the man say when they talk about he make people go buy the ticket. Brother, nobody don't know no brother. But the sick in the dog, I tell you, yo, brother, yo, Alkaline, brother, yo, dog, I tell you. I want the best thing for dancehall, brother. I tell you, for Alkaline, I tell you, brother. Yo, when the man pull up Alkaline ticket and make some talk, dog, you have to laugh more while.
I'm gonna support you thing.
A vendetta, you just go live on TikTok, you know. Man say, yo, dog, every time I talk about Alkaline show them a promotion that's number say, alright, then at least you have sense.
No. Okay, we say it, we say youth. I help promote the man thing. We are, easy me I say?
Because I idea dancehall, dog.
We are help him.
Yeah, because
we see man I say, yo, a win for Alkaline show is a win for dancehall.
So wait, so me never soon I pull up Cartel them tickets so yet. And Cartel do much arena. Me never soon I pull up Cartel ticket. How I go on? You rate Alkaline, man.
Maybe no you can't, then can send for your next youth. Maybe Masca can do it next. What you say, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but when?
You don't realize the Massacre get booked for one show with Spice and Beanie Man and some other artists. You don't realize. I don't think Massacre get no show by himself, brother. They have to book him with the other artists.
Yerin.
Come on, you lick your head, dog. Massacre need more time, is it?
Right now, a deep blue sea, no? But let me see. I have 1 month.
And remember, I said what you see into the Barclays. So,
yeah.
Any predictions?
If it has sell out?
First.
What do you mean by Massacre need more time? How much more time will I get? Bro, you realize Alkaline get the break 2013 and Massacre get Fame break 2015. That's just 2 years apart. And you are going to say Massacre will get more time? How are this, man? Then if a man will do it 2 years before, just 2 years, after not 10 years, 2 years after, and him not do it yet, how more time him need? Bro, the man just not on that level, brother. There's no more time, bro. It shows him never build a catalog. We could have do all of this. You see me and build a fan base. That's just it. But when I say time, it now make no sense. Because him bust 2 years after Alkaline. You see me?
Yeah,
First,
yeah.
remember, them now used full capacity, you know.
Yeah, man, we know that, man. We know that, man.
You remember the numbers, them.
Yes, I think probably around 13K again.
They use 12.
12, if you so.
Yeah, they use 12,000.
Okay, 12, 13.
Yo, man, nah lie, you know. It come like say, them man, them I promoter, you know. When me and them talk about some numbers, it come like a them I keep the show. The man must say some numbers like them, no. But you don't know a promotional same way.
Just thousand less.
Yeah.
I stay blue.
Enough, you know.
Remember, you know, even if a 12 and a 13, they can give it 1,000 tickets, you know. I remember saying. I did Blue Sea for now still, you see me?
You know, because early.
Early.
Same thing different from the other artist things. You have some artists, when them ticket put on sale, it's sold out instant. But remember, sold out sell one way, right?
Exactly.
Brother, when you stop this thing, dog, I tell you now, which show sold out is instant. The only show when it put out a cartel show, and cartel show never sell out instantly, brother, because at the end of the day, it put out like about February. And ticket is still on sale, bro. All when them put up say so low, ticket was still on sale. You don't know this information, and you know why? Because you never pull up and I read these things. You understand? You never pull up and understand, and that with Uno. Remember, say cartel they have other shows. No for cartel show them sell out the deep on the show, bro. Some of them know who not talk about other artists this instant. Which instant? The sick kid out the brain, dog.
If a man sold out his CM 1 minute before the show,
It's sold out. I did Blue Sea same way, but he must sell it out. He must sell it out. At 12, 13 in G. You see me?
yeah, but you see, one thing with that side here. When it comes to dancehall, them not really support dancehall like New York, you know.
But people flying me, G. You have to remember too. Which, let me see, I can bring it up. Remember, you know, what the date for him, for the concert? May 22. Not doing a billet?
May 22nd.
Yeah. What the day after that, I think? You must say the day after that, must say one of them holiday day, no dog.
Okay, so.
Remember which holiday? Yeah, so people are going to be fly down to Miami, because I remember say Miami a spot, you know. No, not May 23rd, my bad, not May 23rd. May 25th, Memorial.
Okay.
Memorial. And Memorial I drop on a Monday. So you know, say people flying from Thursday and then sitting at the party on the Friday, dog. So.
Plus, CJ Milan Reggae Fest, them say it have a crowd by itself too, you know.
Exactly.
And it bringing, me never say it bringing majority of people, me never say that.
They come like round robin.
Yeah, where it come with a certain amount of people.
Brother, I don't know in a sense. If I saw now grade it, I see him thing goes to cartel show, brother. You understand? And I forgot said this is a new rules / reggae fest. Remember that. You don't know in a sense. You can't read.
And then now, based on your print power and your popularity now, your round robin is bigger than my round robin. We see enough man and say, yo, we love compare artists and whatever. That's his music.
Sure. Yep.
Music is like a sport.
Yeah, you have time to pay them out of mind out.
When the artists them write them song, them compare them song with other guys, them have a song they know say a fuckery, and be a bad song out, they never put out it.
My G.
You have to do your best.
Exactly. So, the Xfinity Mobile Arena. So why the hell? No, don't play with me. Let me see.
And after a dog left Florida, man, gone to Philadelphia. The dog rich and happy, you know.
I mean.
People, hear them fool ya. Cause I come like them say Alkaline contract.
They said
the
the arena.
get 500,000 a show.
250.
That's enough money that, you know.
That dog. You really believe say dog I get 250 my youth?
When you do match, yeah.
No dog. But that's say anywhere between 4 to 5 bills.
You can't say 5. When you do match, you can't say too much.
Me just say 4 to 500.
Cause if a man get wait if cartel 3 show, how much in gross? 8? 8, let's say 4.
8.
Yeah.
8.4 I think.
2 show at the 8.4. And brother, that's what the whole 2 show gross. No means a cartel I get all of that. You understand? And yo, as someone know say not to learn at school, you know. You can see to somebody a partnership something. And I go give this 250,000, 500 and say, yo, I like a booking price. A two promoter keep the show, brother. When I sick in the brain, you must know say Alkaline I go get more than when CJ the book a artist. When I sick in the brain, dog, yo, the man a madman in the dog.
I feel two show them, no man. I think I feel two show them and get.
Feel two, a two show.
Hold on, I get first. Vibes Cartel. Let me see if I can find it. April 11 to 12. Gross. Let me see. Let me just check gross revenue. Remember, I know. Hold on. No, tell me. What if they get 8.4 million? They gross 8.4 million, but I remember if I two show them or the three show them. One of them. Because remember, I said we did fine here.
The two show them, brother. This is when Vice Cartel first entered the United States after so many years. So the two show them gross more. You understand? And the third show, it never grows much like that because the ticket them never really selling like that. So them drop the ticket like 75%. Like people when you get it drop from $1,000 to $250 US. You understand? Yeah, so it never grows. Always sold out, it never grows too much like with the first two show. Because the first two show go up on a high demand because I'm first as a Vice Cartel after so many years. You see me?
But you know, just remember which one. You see me?
But anyway, take it. We know say enough money, and then we know say all that based upon the ticket prices. So you feel like say you heard about prison are still are going good.
That are going good.
If prison, I say a prison that man live over CMA.
If no. That dead done already. But he still are going good without it right now.
Yeah, and me see Cardi B call him out on our show. You know say
still are going good. Alright. I have no opinion on that.
See, and him do Clarks and Fever gone up back on the chart.
Mm-hmm. Oh, well on 8.4 million. Him get fee two show them April 10 to 11.
That's what? 2.2? No, 4.2?
4.2. Each drawing nearly 19,000 fans. Each of them.
I wonder if him not see them part of the dog night. You see me I say?
Yo, me say them youth are dunce. Yo, the man them. I don't know, Taylor dog. You see, it's Google thing when I Google. And you can't read if you understand. You need to go back to school, dog. Me I tell you now. You go one thing. You see the things say nearly 19,000 in a your brain. Oh, maybe like 19,000 or 18,000. Bro, people then put out an article, brother. Each night are 15,000 plus. Like 15,100, 15,200. When I sick in the brain, bro. When I love Google. CJ Milan say, yo, stop the Googling, brother. Googling now get the real accurate thing based on her setup or she set up in the arena. Or in the Barclays Center. You understand? Sometimes when you get some real information, bro, and stop the Google thing. You see me? Google work off a web place or where whatever the numbers say is not what CJ is doing. You understand?
Yo, you know how much DM me get about that, dog? Yo, I know 19,000, dog.
But yo, me not see no rapper there or something, you know?
Is it?
Only rapper can do them thing, they know. Some rapper large than life, like a Drake, a man like a Kanye West, you know?
Even Nas can do them, because you know, so that Nas. You see me?
Yeah. A man, a dancehall artist, he wanna get $4.2 million a show. Bumbo class.
No man, in gross.
People, you saw me talk about? The man say Cartel I get $4.2 million a show. The man say gross, you know. That's how I tell you, say they can't read. The man say gross. This never say Cartel get, you know. The man say Cartel I get $4.2 million. People, this has to be studied. As me say, people go buy on a ticket, Miami and Philly. You understand? Because they might go crash out more. You see me?
Well, in gross $4 million per show.
And they know it much MDP, 1.5 out of that?
No. Remember say the Reggae Fest money different money than Jacko them thing. Remember I know. Remember say Jacko them thing at one time. For a regular show.
I understand.
When him a theme show, a theme thing is a collaboration with the promoter, which is CJ Milan, and Adija Palmer. You see me I say?
Yo, them youth are done, you know. The man them say collaboration. Brother, I book CJ Milan, book Vice Cartel, brother. You know, no sense. It come like say, no, the only show right now are the new rules on CJ Milan, bro. Cartel get bookings, brother. There's no Hadija Palmer, no CJ. Only CJ. Reggae Fest alone, you see, as the promoter on the cartel flyer them. I'm sick in the brain, brother.
Where them come to an agreement. Dog, you see, say, I'm tell dog.
People, you don't know one media fax pan up, you know. You see me, big up on yourself. As me say, promotional purposes, get on the ticket. Miami, Philly, you don't know what things say. Big up everybody, respect for the support. You don't know what things say. That is it.